I'm Chris Carl. I'm a horticulturalist with Ambius, coming to you today from the beautiful Laguna Beach Nursery in Laguna Beach, California. I'm here to tell you today how to tie up an orchid that is too tall. To protect your investment, you want to make sure that the orchid is tied up properly. Quite often the blooms are very heavy and the orchid will fall down. There's a variety of ways you can stake up an orchid. The first one is to use some type of element that will support the orchid. Sticks, bamboo, a number of different things. On top of that, you're going to use any kind of string, twist tie, garden tape. Today I'm going to use good old-fashioned raffia. So what you do is you take your stake, you make sure you do not damage the orchid roots by gently twisting the stake into the medium. Once the stake is into the medium, taking your orchid and tying it up. Take the raffia or the string, loop it around the orchid stem once, pulling the orchid up, then tying it to the stake. Once the orchid's tied up, this will take care of holding your orchid up so you can have beautiful blooms for at least 6 to 9 weeks in your home. That's how you tie up a too tall orchid. I'm Chris Carl with Ambius, and I hope that helps.